Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Volkswagen Jetta 118 TSI, stock reference number 5078. The shape runs from the second month 2011 through to the 12th month 2017. It has a CTHD 1.4 litre turbo petrol engine backed by a PMH automatic front wheel drive transmission. CTHD 1.4 litre turbo petrol engine. We have the left front, 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left boot lid garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right boot lid garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear, 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.